Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the channel for IELTS speaking success. Whether you're aiming for a high band score or just looking to boost your confidence, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing IELTS speaking tips, which you must need to know to achieve high marks in speaking test. The sample answers and strategies to help you speak fluently and naturally in your IELTS exam. So if you're ready to improve, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Let's get started. First, I would like to give a small explanation about speaking test. I hope it will give you a very clear idea how you can tackle this exam very easily. The IELTS speaking test is a face-to-face interview with an examiner and lasts around 11 to 14 minutes. It's divided into 3 parts. In part 1, you answer simple questions about yourself and everyday topics. In part 2, you speak for up to 2 minutes about a given topic. And in part 3, you have a deeper discussion related to that topic. The test checks your BOM, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. So it's all about how well you can communicate in English, not just using big words. Okay, now let's move to the first tip in this video. Use connectors to improve fluency. What does this mean? Using connectors is a great way to improve your fluency and make your answers more organized and clear. They help you link ideas smoothly, just like in a natural conversation. Let's look at some useful connectors you can use in the IELTS speaking test. If you want to give an idea or an opinion, please you can use below. I would say, in my view, in my opinion, to my mind. And also, while you are giving the answers, if you want to add or connect new ideas, you may use below connectors. The first connector is, on top of that. What's more? I would also add that. Before we are moving to the next tip in this video, I would like to give you few model answer. Let's see the question. Do you enjoy spending time with your family? I would say yes, definitely, because spending time with my family helps me relax and feel supported. We often have dinner together or go for short trips on weekends, and those moments really strengthen our bond. By using these words, you can definitely boost your ideas. Therefore, please make notes while you are watching it. Okay, now we are jumping to next tips in this video. Use some complex grammar. What does this mean? Using some complex grammar structures like conditional sentences or relative clauses shows the examiner that you can communicate ideas clearly and accurately. You don't need to be perfect, but using a mix of simple and complex sentences can help you get a higher band score. Let's see the advanced grammar tenses. Present perfect tenses. Present perfect continuous tenses. Present perfect simple. In the first part of speaking test, you are getting many personal questions. So you can always use present perfect continuous tenses while you are giving answer. Let's see how you can give the answers. The most common and easy question that you are getting is, where do you live? Okay, what is answer that you could think? You can use, I am from Sri Lanka. I have been living here for 2 years now. Let's see 2 more questions and answers. What do you usually do in your free time? Answer would be, I've been spending a lot of time reading English books and watching IELTS videos online to improve my skills. The next question is, have you been working or studying recently? The answer would be, yes, I've been working as a freelance consultant while also preparing for my IELTS exam. Like this, you can increase your marks in the speaking test. Please take notes and practice later. B. Because practice makes you more confident and perfect. Okay, let's move to the next tip. Third tip is, use idiomatic expressions. What does this mean? Using idiomatic expressions like a piece of cake or over the moon can make your speaking sound more natural and fluent. It shows the examiner that you understand everyday English and can express ideas like a native speaker. Just be sure to use them in the right context. So, when we are planning to get high marks like 7 or more for the speaking test, we must use idiomatic expressions. But make sure you are using them correctly. Let's see few questions and answers. Question 1. Do you enjoy your job or studies? The answer would be, yes, I really do. It's right up my alley, because I love working with people and solving problems. It keeps me motivated every day. Question number 2. Do you like spending time with friends? The answer would be absolutely, whenever we hang out. We just have a blast. It helps me relax and forget about all the stress from work. I hope you are making notes and learning many things from this video. Now I'm going to move to our last 2 tips in this video, which are use of synonyms and antonyms and add adverbs. Let's talk about the 4th tip in this video, use of synonyms and antonyms. What does this mean? Using synonyms and antonyms helps you show a wider range of vocabulary in your speaking. Instead of repeating the same words, try to say them in different ways. This makes your answers more interesting and can help you score higher for vocabulary. Let's see what kind of synonyms and antonyms that you can use in the exam. Here I am going to discuss 3 questions and answers with the synonyms and antonyms. The question is, what kind of books do you enjoy reading? The answer is, I enjoy reading novels, especially thrillers. They're always exciting and full of surprises. Sometimes I also like something more relaxing, like a romantic story or a light comedy, just to take a break from intense plots. Synonyms: exciting =, thrilling vertical bar, antonyms: relaxing intense. Question 2. Do you think it's important to learn English? The answer is, absolutely. English is an essential skill these days. Whether for travel, work, or study, it's vital to communicate with people from different cultures. Synonyms: essential =, vital =, important. Question 3. Do you prefer to live in a big city or a small town? The answer is, I would say I prefer small towns because they're more peaceful and quiet. Big cities are exciting but can be too noisy and crowded, which is the opposite of what I enjoy. Antonyms: peaceful, noisy, quiet, crowded. Let's move to the final tip of this video. The tip is, use adverbs. What does mean? Using adverbs can make your speaking more descriptive and natural. They help you express how, when, or how often something happens, which adds detail and variety to your answers. This shows the examiner you can use language in a flexible way. Let's see few examples. Usually, often, sometimes, rarely, absolutely, completely. These are some of the adverbs that you can use to increase your marks in the exam. Let's see some more question and answers. Question: do you enjoy watching movies? Answer: yes, I really enjoy watching movies, especially comedies. I usually watch them on weekends to relax after a busy week. Adverb: usually shows frequency. Question: do you like cooking at home? Answer: yes, I absolutely love cooking. I often try new recipes and I carefully follow the steps to make sure everything turns out well. Adverbs: often, carefully, show frequency and manner. Question: do you think technology has improved communication? Answer: definitely. Technology has completely changed the way we connect with others. Now we can instantly message or call someone, no matter where they are. Adverbs: completely, instantly show degree and time. So I'm thinking to end this video now. I hope you have learned many valuable things from this video. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. I truly appreciate your support, your likes and your comments. They mean the world to me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more useful content for IELTS success. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.